Hey, this is Dr. Mormon, Dr. M. I'm up just upslope in stand 7 from the stream. So I'm in riparian area out at Shink Forest, but I'm just upslope. This is a great place to talk about dead wood. So we're right next to a down log, and because this log has such large diameter, we're going to call this coarse woody debris. So it's greater than 4 inches in diameter. So coarse woody debris is critically important for wildlife that live on the ground because it provides cover from predators, it provides cover from the environment, it has a moist, cool microenvironment underneath. Oftentimes it harbors invertebrates or it dams up seeds that might blow across the landscape, so it provides food for a lot of animals, and then you have a food web that builds on top of that. So if you have insects or invertebrates, then you have things that eat those invertebrates, then you have things that eat the invertebrates. The things that eat the invertebrates. So you get a whole food web. So to get a down log like this, you typically need a tree to die. When the tree dies, it's a snag. And then as long as it's standing, it's a snag. Then when it falls over, it's a down log. Again, same with down logs. We're looking for snags that are at least 4 inches in diameter to provide benefits to vertebrate species. So here's a smaller diameter down log that is less than 4 inches in diameter. I wouldn't expect any kind of vertebrate animals to be associated with that area. But if I turn over this larger diameter down log over here, we may expect to find something. So I'm going to turn it over. No salamanders or toads there, but there were some invertebrates. And they're probably in there certain times of year. The weather matters. If it's really wet or really dry, it may affect whether or not you can find critters under these down logs. As a manager, you can promote snags and down logs by leaving them. When you do timber harvest, you can girdle or inject living trees to kill them, to create snags that will eventually become down logs. And if you don't manage, if you just let a stand grow up on its own, there's going to be a lot of competition, so you'll get natural creation just through competition or stem exclusion of dead trees, which will eventually become down logs. So this is really important. When we do timber harvesting, we get a lot of dead wood on the ground from logging slash. That's similarly important, although we have a different cereal stage or a different plant community type. Dead wood's still going to be really important in that landscape as well. So it's something to think about as a manager, because they really are, these are little microcosms of biodiversity in a small space.